What up, you guys? Today we got some else in the mail, and it's something for the exterior. So let's see what it could be. It's something long, so that might. What do you guys think it is? I got some window visors from eBay, so we'll see how they look on the car. It's gonna look dope. A simple trick that I use is I'll take the tape on both edges, and then I'll take just like a little bit off. So when you stick it on the car, like I just stick both edges first, and then take the tape off from the top, and then just stick it all together. It's one piece. Just a small little tip for you guys. That's how the car looks without the window visors. And let's see how they look with window visors. And 1, 2, 3. Damn. Do they look good? Does it make a big difference? I think it looks good. I got some cheap eBay ones. I don't know if they're like $60, $100 window visors are like any different quality wise. I'm not too sure. I've never bought any like really expensive ones, just always eBay, but it looks good. It lined up sort of nicely. So yeah, there you guys go. Just got some window visors. I got some cans, some plastic dip cans. Let's see if we can find them in here. Yeah. Let's see. So I got some black plastic dip and some glossifier. So I'm trying to paint my emblems black. But everyone usually gets the first spot everyone gets, so I'm gonna just plastic dip this black and this, and I've never really used plastic dip, so we'll see if it comes out good or not. If not, I'm gonna just get the Evo M and then just repaint this emblem, or might just delete that altogether and just have the Mazda. I'm not sure. Let me know on the comments below. And my next item that I'm getting from in the mail is a real big piece item, real mod item, so prepare for that one. That one's gonna take me maybe, I'll say 2 weeks to get what I like, all the parts, and I need to get a custom tune for it. And so yeah, I'll show you guys that one next video, so stay tuned. Peace, y'all.